Welcome to the tutorial on how AI animations and credits work in videotour.ai. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to properly use AI animations and help you understand the credit system. Let's start with the basics. By default, each video comes with 6 AI animations, and the standard motion effect, also known as the Ken burn effect, is free and will be applied to the rest of the images. You can use standard motion to create smooth transitions between images. But for more dynamic results, you can manually add AI animations. You can add AI animations to your images to create motion and excitement. However, it's important to note that you don't need to animate every image with AI. Instead, alternate between AI animations and standard motion. In practice, it's especially important to animate the first few images with AI. For the rest, you can switch back to standard motion. This creates a nice flow for your tour, where the initial images have that dynamic AI movement, and the following ones stay simple and clean. If you see just a slideshow of images, it's likely because no AI animations were added, or the AI animations weren't properly applied. Make sure you've added animations to at least some of your images for that video tour effect. AI animation requires additional processing power and advanced algorithms, which is why it costs credits. Standard motion is free because it's a simpler transition effect. By following these simple steps and alternating between AI animations and standard motion, you'll create engaging, professional videos while managing your credits efficiently. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit videotour.ai and take your real estate videos to the next level.